Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm taking you through how I make my African black soap shampoo. If you don't know, African black soap is effective for cleaning the scalp and it leaves a perfect environment for follicle cells to grow the hair. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Yeah, so the main ingredients, as you already know, is the African black soap. That's what I'm going to use, okay? And Jamaican black castor oil. I'll go ahead and use olive oil as well, coconut oil, and the supporting ingredient, neem oil. I'll use tea tree oil and peppermint oil as well to soothe my scalp, and aloe vera. I've already washed and cut the rough edges of the aloe vera, and pure honey. So I'm going to unravel my African black soap from the packaging, as you can see, and yeah, I'll go ahead and cut about a quarter of this soap, and that is what I'm going to use for today. I got this African black soap from the local market at 10 Ghana cedis, okay? That is a little over $1, I presume. And yeah, so I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces so that the warm water can dissolve it very fast. So let's talk about African black soap, okay? It is naturally drying. That is why we are going to add our oils, okay? Coconut oil, olive oil, all these oils are moisturizing oils, so it will infuse moisture into my shampoo. So here I'm adding my warm water and I'll set it aside so that the warm water can gradually dissolve it, okay? Yeah, so from here I'm going to get my aloe vera juice out of my aloe vera, as you can see. And yeah, aloe vera contains some enzymes which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It conditions your hair very well and leaves the hair very smooth and shiny, okay? It promotes the hair growth and all that. So that's why we are adding aloe vera to our shampoo. So now to the oils: castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. All these three oils are moisturizing oils, okay? It moisturizes the hair and yeah, all that good stuff. So that's why we're adding all these oils as well. Neem oil is the secret ingredient in today's shampoo, because neem oil, it strengthens the hair, it thickens the hair, and it also has antioxidant and antifungal properties as well. I'm going ahead to add my tea tree oil and my peppermint oil, okay? Tea tree oil and peppermint oil, it all soothes itchy scalp, okay? So if you have itchy scalp and you use this special shampoo, don't mind me. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add honey to my mixture, okay? Honey is acting as a humectant here to trap all the moisture in the hair, because we don't want any moisture running away from our hair. So from here I'll go ahead and blend all these together into a perfect and a smooth mixture, because we don't want aloe vera chunks in our shampoo, okay? So after about 30 to 45 minutes, all our black soap has been dissolved by the warm water, okay? It's a bit light in here. If you want your shampoo to be thicker, you can add more soap and reduce the water, but this is the perfect consistency I want for my shampoo. So I'm going ahead to add all my blended ingredients into the shampoo, and yeah, we are done. Do well to mix thoroughly as well, so that all the ingredients are infused in the shampoo. Okay. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and add my lavender oil and rose oil to my shampoo. This step is completely optional. You can do without it, but I think that neem oil doesn't really have a pleasant smell, and so I want to spice things up, make my shampoo smell nice, and that's why I'm adding my lavender oil and rose oil. So before we continue, this is for my 3 months no chemicals no heat challenge with AJMO. So learn and hop on this challenge. So don't laugh at me, okay? Don't laugh at me. I felt like playing around, so I cut a rubber and used this as a funnel, even though the cup that I was using to fill could do the job for me. So yeah, this is how the shampoo turned out, and yeah, I'm going to use it to wash my hair for you to see how well it lathers and how moisturizing it is. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, it's bye.